Hey there! Here's a quick video on how to use your quick release steering wheel's horn contacts to activate your radio's push to talk using a relay. Say goodbye to that annoying push to talk wire dangling under your steering column. I typically scour YouTube or Google for mods like this, but I couldn't find anything. So with the help of my friend Azim's relay diagram, which I modified a little bit here, I put this quick video together for you all. I hope it helps. Now let's get into it. Alright, a really quick video here to describe how we wired this in to use the horn contacts for our push to talk for the steering wheel, which is right here. So basically we have the push to talk button wired into the steering wheel hub, which is right there. One of the wires, the yellow one here, is grounded to the actual steering assembly, and the other one is connected to the contacts in the back of the steering wheel here. It travels, this spring-loaded pin travels all the way over to that relay right there. When this says PTT, so that's on pin 85 in the back of that relay. 86 goes to power, and basically the push to talk connector, I think that's the one right there. That 3-pin, there's actually only 2 pins that are active. I'll have that diagram on this video as well for you to see. 2 pins are active on that. Basically it is connected to, on this relay, pin number 30 and pin 87. Here's the contacts in the back of the steering release hub. There's the push to talk install that winds around here to the other side. It goes in and connects to where the horn connectors are. And before anybody gives me a hard time about the electrical tape, there are a couple of blade connectors. I use the blade connectors. I just use the electrical tape as a redundancy, so it wouldn't make any contact with metal in there. Really decent aircraft quality push to talk buttons. So when the button is pushed, it completes the circuitry for the ground to happen for the relay to activate, which closes the circuit and allows the signal path to go between the 30 and 87, which basically is the same thing as pushing a push to talk button for the regular wiring assembly. So that's it. We're using a relay to activate our push to talk. That way we can utilize these 2 little contacts here underneath our horn on our quick release steering assembly. Let's see if I can get this off without hurting myself. There we go. That's it.